Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right away. Unlock your iPhone and open Wallet to the Apple Cash card. Once you see the card, tap it and then the More button. This opens card settings so you can remove it. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID used for the card, because removal ties to your account. If you have a physical Apple card, note that Apple Cash is separate. Removing Apple Cash won't affect your Apple Card transactions. Continue by checking for any active features. Automatic transfers or notification rules can block removal, so turn those off. If your Apple Cash balance isn't zero, transfer it to your bank or send it to a contact. Removal requires no balance. Scroll within the card settings until you find Remove Card, then tap it. When prompted, confirm removal. You're disconnecting the Apple Cash account from that wallet instance, which prevents you. Finish by confirming the removal. Once confirmed, the card will disappear from Wallet. If it still shows, close Wallet and restart your iPhone, then check again. This refreshes the view and clears cached state. If you couldn't remove the card because of a remaining balance or verification hold, contact Apple support so they can lift the hold. Make sure to mention your Apple ID and recent device activity. If issues persist, check other signed-in devices. One of them might be blocking the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.